This is a mechanical keyboard coming with lighting effects, 104 keys and driver customization software for as little as $40. Hi everyone and welcome to Tech with Jack. This is my very first video, so please like, leave a comment indicating how you felt about it, and to see more awesome content, feel free to subscribe. Today, we're going to take a look at a mechanical keyboard I recently received. This is the Kogan full RGB mechanical keyboard minus the blue switch variant, and this is the first mechanical keyboard that I have ever owned. Quite honestly, it's a fantastic keyboard. It has tons of cool lighting effects, nice clicky attenuate blue switches, as well as macro customization via software. So let's jump right in and see what we have here. In the box we have a manual, a warranty, a little packaging, and the keyboard itself. It comes with a nice braided cable, a USB Type A connector that's not detachable, a Velcro cable tie and magnetic ring on the cable, and two small feet on the base to give it some extra elevation. It also has 4 non-slip rubber foam feet to stop it from sliding around on your desk too much. Onto the keys themselves, these are nice to the touch, with the keycaps feeling quite sturdy, but they actually are extremely light ABS plastic, which makes the keyboard quite nice and light. Underneath the keys, we have the Utemu blue switches, and one of the things that really shows off how well Kogan designed this keyboard is the lack of metal stabilizers on the larger keys. Instead, they have a fake switch support that fits into the edges of the keycap. This keyboard's floating keycap design allows you to view all of the fantastic RGB effects from the side, and also lets you see the nice concave shape of the keyboard. Now, let's hear it in action. This keyboard looks, feels, and sounds great, with a ton of customization and a driver for all of your macros, which you can find in the description. I really love its simple black metal build, and it looks great with lots of setups. It's currently available with Utemu brown and red switches as well, which you can find linked in the description, and it's really cheap for what you get. Currently, all 3 variants are $40 Australian. Definitely worth it for what you get, and it's great for anyone who's into or would like to try mechanical keyboards. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed my first video, like if you did, subscribe to see more great content, and if you have any suggestions or questions, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching Tech with Jack, and I'll see you all later.